In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw architectural walls in Revit. We'll start right where every building begins on the Architecture tab. This is the heart of the design workflow, and the Wall tool sits front and center for good reason. Click Wall, then choose Wall Architectural. That single click puts you into wall drawing mode so you can begin laying out the building right away. Before you draw, pick the wall type from the type selector. You'll see options ranging from simple generic walls to detailed multi-layer constructions with finishes, cores, and insulation already defined. Choosing the right type up front helps you visualize thickness and materials as you draft, and it saves time later because your walls will already match the design intent. Next, set the height or top constraint in the options bar. If you want the wall to reach a specific level, like up to level 2, set that as the top constraint so it will adjust automatically if levels change. If you're sketching something quick or temporary, use an unconnected height and type in an exact value. This choice controls how the wall relates to your building's vertical structure. Now choose your drawing method. Use lines for straightforward runs and precise segments. Rectangles are perfect for quickly laying out rooms or cores. Polygons help with multi-sided spaces. Arcs let you create smooth, curved walls, ideal for lobbies or feature elements. And filleted corners let you round intersections with a radius, cleaning up sharp transitions in one move. Pick the method that best matches the shape you need. Click to start and click to finish. Revit draws the wall between your clicks and snaps intelligently to grids, levels, and nearby geometry to keep things aligned. As you work, temporary dimensions appear so you can dial in exact distances. If you need to flip which side the wall grows toward, tap the space bar before you place the next segment. Use zoom and pan to keep your cursor precise around snaps and intersections. If your wall isn't aligning the way you expect, check the location line in the options bar. You can draw from the wall center line, the core face, or the finish face. This setting determines which reference stays fixed as you place or move the wall. For example, using the core face is great when aligning structural elements to grids, while the finish face helps maintain exact room sizes. When you're done, press Yes to finish and exit the wall tool. That's it, clean, controlled wall creation from start to finish.